When we look out into deep space, we expect to see a densely packed environment. Our current understanding of the universe is built on a cosmic web, where billions of galaxies are clustered together like massive glowing cities. But in 1981, astronomer Robert Kishner and his team pointed their instruments toward the constellation Boötes and found a region that directly contradicted those expectations. They discovered a colossal spherical pocket of empty space, measuring 330 million light-years in diameter, accounting for 0.3% of the observable universe. Standard models dictate a region this size should contain up to 20,000 galaxies. Instead, scientists have only ever found 60. To understand the isolation of this region, imagine placing our own galaxy, the Milky Way, at its center. Instead of our familiar, dense star field, the night sky would be black. Astronomer Greg Aldering famously noted that if the Milky Way had been in the center of the Boötes Void, we wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until our technology advanced in the 1960s. The existence of this empty space creates a significant conflict with our models of how matter was distributed following the Big Bang, leaving astrophysicists to explain a 330 million light-year gap in the structure of the cosmos. To understand how this void formed, researchers began looking for patterns within the few galaxies that do exist inside it. Those 60 galaxies are not scattered randomly. They are aligned in a nearly perfect tube-like structure, cutting right through the middle of the emptiness. This alignment suggests the void is not merely a random patch of empty space, but rather a structure shaped by specific, massive forces. Scientists currently rely on 3 primary theories to explain where the thousands of missing galaxies went. The first is the merging voids theory, which views the void as a natural result of the universe's expansion. In the early universe, many smaller pockets of empty space likely existed. Over billions of years, these pockets may have drifted and merged together like soap bubbles to form the single massive supervoid we see today. The second theory suggests the space isn't actually empty, but is instead occupied by matter we cannot see. It is possible the void is packed with cold dark matter or unlit gas. Because this material doesn't emit light, it remains invisible to telescopes, effectively hiding the mass that the models predict should be there. The third and most radical theory poses a different question. What if the light from these galaxies is being deliberately obscured? Under the Kardashev scale, a Type 3 civilization would be capable of harnessing the power of entire galaxies. This theory suggests super-advanced aliens could be wrapping stars in Dyson spheres, megastructures that harvest energy and block light from the universe. Whether hidden by dark matter, displaced by merging voids, or obscured by technology, the Boötes Void stands as a massive disruption in the expected pattern of our universe. While the idea of alien megastructures remains in the realm of science fiction, the accepted scientific reality is no less significant. The presence of the Boötes Void serves as evidence that the distribution of matter in the cosmos is far less uniform than our early models suggested. This suggests the cosmic web contains massive gaps and structural anomalies that our current theories of the Big Bang cannot yet fully account for. If a space large enough to hold 20,000 galaxies can appear this empty, we are forced to look at the dark patches of our night sky and wonder what else remains hidden in the silent depths of the universe.